Hello and welcome to Live Speaking. Let's see how to register for live speaking. First, please note that you should always use a computer, laptop or tablet for your lessons, not a cell phone. This is so you can view the lesson material clearly and see and speak to your classmates as well as your teacher. To register, go to app.burlingtonenglish.com. Click New User. To see the instructions in your language, click the icon on the top right-hand side of the screen and select a language. Enter your activation code that we sent you. Then click Continue. Register with Burlington English by filling in your personal details. Then click Continue. For future lessons, go to app.burlingtonenglish.com and log in using your username and password. Your username and password should be something you can remember easily. You now know how to register for live speaking.